Russell Marlowe. My wife Debbie and I have Clara Belle. This is our converted bloodmobile. We've had it about 4.5 years now. So come on in. Our new puppy, Zuzu. She's almost 3 months old. And Theodore's favorite thing in the whole world is riding in the bus. And this is Theodore, he's 6. So this is our bloodmobile. We are just weekenders at the moment. We hope to one day be full-time. But you can see we have our cabinets here. We have a little refrigerator, but since we're weekend, we tend to live mostly out of the cooler. Recently we added these cabinets. I'm not a carpenter by any means, but I built these along with a pantry just because we needed more storage. We have a couch dinette that drops down into a bed. And then one of the things that my wife's dad came up with as they were building the inside is this. It's just the wheel well. We have storage, of course. And then this piece flips up and it flips all the way over and lands on here. You can see we have 2 mattresses. Top mattress comes over, drops down. We have a king size mosh pit for us and the dogs. We have antique dresser back here, and then back in the very back is our bathroom. Composting toilet. We're working on the cedar still. The tub we don't tend to use a whole lot unless we're boondocking, but we have the tub and water back there. We have instant on hot water. The bus came with a generator, a 17 kW generator. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rooftop air conditioners, or as we like to say, 1 and 3 spares, because even in Florida we hardly ever use more than 1. Right. And that's kind of our bathroom. And that's a quick tour of the bus. Yep. We just have this little piece down here so that if we get up and walk in the middle of the night, we don't fall down the stairwell.
Yeah, it's nice having a back door.
And and we've got a little bit of storage under the bed. And that's kind of it.
Well, thank you.
You're certainly welcome.
Very nice bus.
Thank you, sir.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie. And in the coming weeks, there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.